Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this learning channel. My name is Ranti Retnaula. In this video, we'll discuss a topic that's very relevant to everyday life, yet often overlooked: consumer protection. Every day we act as consumer buying food, clothing, using transportation, and even shopping online. However, do we truly understand our rights and consumer? And on the other hand, are business fulfilling their obligation properly? Let's discuss this in detail. Definition: consumer and consumer protection. A consumer is any person who uses goods and or service for the benefit of themselves, their family, other people, or other living creatures, and not for resale. Meanwhile, consumer protection is any effort to ensure legal certainty to provide protection to consumers. In Indonesia, consumer protection is regulated by Law Number 8 of 1999 concerning consumer protection. This law exists because consumers are often in a weaker position than business actors, especially in terms of information and economic power. Objective of consumer protection. Consumer protection has several main objectives, including increasing consumer awareness and independence, protecting consumers from harmful business practices, encourage business actors to act honestly and responsibly, creating a balance between consumer and business actors, ensuring the quality and safety of goods and services. With consumer protection, economic transactions are expected to run fairly and healthily. Principles of consumer protection. Consumer protection is based on several important principles, namely, first, the principle of benefit, meaning consumer protection must benefit of this. Second, the principle of justice, which provides equal opportunities for consumer and business. Third, the principle of balance, ensuring that the rights and obligations of both parties are balanced. Fourth, the principle of consumer safety and security, especially regarding risky goods and service. Fifth, the principle of legal campaign, ensuring that consumers receive clear and fair civil protection. These principles form the foundation for the application of consumer protection law. Consumer rights. The consumer protection law provide various rights to consumer, including the right to comfort, security, and safety, the right to choose goods and service, the right to receive correct, clear, and honest information, the right to have one's opinions and complaints heard, the right to receive advocacy and dispute resolution, the right to receive compensation if harms. For example, if a consumer buys expired food or damaged electronic good, the consumer has the right to demand a replacement or compensation. Consumer obligation, apart from having rights, consumer also have obligations such as reading product use instruction, follow the correct use procedure, have good intention in conducting transaction, pay according to the agreed exchange rate. Consumer protection is not only about demanding rights, but also carrying out obligation responsibly. Business actor and their responsibilities. A business actor is any person or business entity that carries out economic activity. Business actor have legal obligation, including have good intention in their business activities, provide honest and non-misleading information, ensuring the quality of goods and service, provide trial opportunities, provide companies or third parties. Business actor who violate this obligation may be subject to administrative, civil, and even criminal suit. Prohibited action for business actor. The Consumer Protection Law prohibits business actors from producing or trading dangerous goods, providing false or misleading information, falsifying label or expiration date, offering goods with excessive advertising, imposing standard costs that are detrimental to consumers. This ban aims to protect consumers from fraudulent and unethical practices. Consumer protection in the digital era. In the digital age, Consumer protection has new challenges. Online shipping, online shopping, marketplace, and digital service often mean consumers will have to interact directly with business. Problems that often arise include item does not match description, online fraud, misuse of personal data, difficulty returning goods. Therefore, digital business are required to provide clear information, a complaint system, and consumer data protection. Meanwhile, consumer must be more careful before making online transactions. Consumer Protection Agency to protect consumers, there are several institutions such as BPKN, BPSK, LPKSN. These institutions play a role in providing education, advocacy, and dispute resolution between consumers and business actors. Consumer dispute resolution. If consumers are harmed, disputes can be resolved through direct negotiation, mediation, BPSK, lawsuit, to call dispute resolution, and to provide justice without causing excessive harm to either party. Showcase study of consumer protection. The more common examples include the sale of illegal cosmetics without weapon permits, expired food, and misleading advertising. In such case, business can face legal sanction, while consumers are entitled to compensation. This case show that consumer protection is very relevant and real in everyday life. Conclusion. In conclusion, consumer protection is a vital part of both the legal and business system. Protected consumer will create a healthy, fair, and sustainable market. Business that comply with regulation will gain trust and long-term reputation. In thank you for watching. If this material was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.